Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute. Meet Deborah and Marisol,
Okay, say it all over again.
Hi, I'm Deborah.
And I'm Marisol.
your passionate and creative hosts who will guide you through a world of warm textures, reclaimed wood, and cozy accents. Let's unleash the rustic designer in you.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Deborah. Today, we have an amazing do-it-yourself project. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you today how to create your own stunning rustic centerpiece for your dining table. Rustic centerpieces are perfect for adding warmth and charm to your dining space. Plus, they're incredibly easy to create using materials you might already have at your home. Go ahead and take a look around. So let's talk about the materials that you're going to need for this project. For this project, you will need a wooden tray or a wooden box, mason jars or small vases, fresh or faux flowers for greenery, small candles or fairy lights, and additional decorative items like pine cones, fruit, or wooden accessories, anything you would like to put into your project. You can easily find these materials at your local craft store, or you might even have some of these lying around your house. Once you've gathered all your materials, it's time to start creating your own rustic centerpiece. Let's talk about the base for your centerpiece, the wooden tray. You can use a simple wooden tray, a small crate, or even a repurposed wooden box. Make sure it's sturdy and will hold up well to the dining table. To begin, place your mason jars or small vases evenly spaced inside the wooden tray. You can use a single row for a more minimalistic look, or create multiple rows for a fuller centerpiece. So now that the jars are in place, it's time to add the flowers and the greenery. Start by cutting your flowers and greenery to the desired height, and then arrange them in the jars. You can create a more uniform look by using the same types of flowers in each jar, or mix them up for a more dynamic and interesting centerpiece. Once your flowers are in place, it's time to add some decorative elements to your centerpiece. Small candles and glass holders or battery-operated fairy lights will add a warm and cozy glow to your rustic centerpiece. You can place them in between the jars or weave them through the greenery. It's up to you. To finish off your dining table look, consider adding some coordinating placemats or a table runner, and maybe even some matching napkins and napkin ring holders. You can also swap out your mason jars for other containers like vintage bottles or ceramic vases to give your centerpiece a different feel. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you learned a lot about creating your centerpiece. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Oh, that was so good.